Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome Video again. In this new video, we are going to unbox Redmi K80 Ultra 5G and share some basic information of this smartphone. The Redmi K80 Ultra is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC and says that it has achieved an AnTuTu score of 3.24 million thanks to its outstanding heat dissipation abilities. The phone has a 7410 mAh battery as well as a huge vibration motor that promises 53% faster starting and stopping, 62% better vibration consistency, and nearly 100 different vibration effects. The symmetrical speakers promises better high with 16 dB more oomph in the 8 kHz to 20 kHz range. Claims of best sound quality are being thrown around quite a lot on Redmi Weibo. The brand also says the K80 Ultra will be the most elegant flagship in its class, with a metal frame, fiber glass back, and metal camera island. The screen will be 6.83 inch in size. Let's talk about its display. It has a 6.67 inch display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7.1. Its operating system will be Android 15 HyperOS 2. Chipset Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 4nm. GPU Adreno 750. Its main camera will be dual 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. It has a selfie camera of single which is 20 megapixel wide. So viewers, that's all about Redmi K80 Ultra 5G. Hope all the information shared in this video will help you to make decision whether to buy this smartphone or not. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.